If you are still dragging your mouse to the top corner of your screen to close a window, or clicking through folders to find a file, you're wasting about 15 minutes of your life every single day. Today I'm going to be showing you the top 10 God tier shortcuts for both Windows and Mac that will literally double your speed and have you being a shortcut god. If you want the full list of 50 plus shortcuts, I put together a free cheat sheet that you can use, and you can ultimately get really good at moving around in your computer, being super fast, opening new tabs, opening new windows, closing windows, hitting search, all kinds of stuff. Shortcut number one, the Windows search button. So you can hold Windows S. You don't even need to hold Windows S. You can just press the Windows button. And you can also do this on Mac, which is the Command and Space button, which brings up the spotlight bar. You can just try typing whatever you're looking for, like settings, Steam, OBS, anything that you're trying to use, you could just search it up. You can even search up files. You can search up, I believe you could search up the C drive. Oh, I know you could search even paths if you have them, but that's a little bit more in depth with File Explorer and just being more IT. But yeah, the search button and command space on Mac. Shortcut number two, the window snap. The concept is professionally organizing your windows and any apps you have open on your computer. You can also do this on Mac. It works more like a magnet and it makes the apps go full screen on Mac. But on Windows, you can also do this and have it snap side by side. Just drag off a tab from your browser and hit Windows button, left or right on the D-pad. Sorry, not D-pad, the arrows key. And then you'll be able to snap windows together and have two windows side by side on one screen. And you can look at two different things at once. Shortcut number three, the hide key. Hiding everything and finding a file on your desktop. Let's say you have a bunch of apps open, like I have here. I have Minecraft tabs open in Microsoft Edge from left to right. Since I window snapped from the last shortcut, what I want to do is hide it all so I can go onto the desktop. All you have to do is press Windows button and D, and bam, everything falls down, minimized, and you don't have to go up here and press the minimize button. All you have to do is press Windows D, and it'll bring down every single app and bring you back to desktop. Shortcut number four, the clipboard history. This is an amazing one I use all the time. It's like wow. Basically, you could copy more than one thing. You know how we copy and paste things from document to document, website to website, website to your notes. You can actually have access to whatever you copied by using Windows and V. All you have to do is hit Windows V together, and it'll show you exactly what did you copy and paste, and you'll have a clipboard here in the past. So whatever you copy and pasted during that day while your machine was on, this will have it. So I love this. I go to Notepad and I just start getting every single thing that I needed without having to go back to where I was to copy and paste. So that's an amazing tool to have. Use that all the time. Shortcut number five, the tab switcher. This is the GOAT of all keyboard shortcuts. I'd say everyone uses this, even gamers, people who work in offices. And if you don't use it, I'm sure if you find this video, you'll be ending up using it because Alt-Tab is life. Alt-Tab, you can even use this on Mac, which is Command-Tab. And basically, you're just opening other windows that you were just on and other apps. So you don't have to keep going down here and changing your apps on the taskbar or minimizing and going back. All you have to do is press Alt-Tab and bam, you're back to where you were. The next shortcut is the instant lock, shortcut number 6. This is security for your computer if you're going to lunch, or if you have kids, or if you have a cat that may go on your computer keyboard or your laptop. All you have to do is lock your computer by pressing Windows L, and it'll lock your screen, and then you'll be stuck at the login screen without having to turn on and off your computer all the time. You can do that on Mac as well using the Command, Control, and Q button. I'm gonna do it right now, but I don't know what's gonna happen with this recording. I guess that worked. We'll see. Rapid fire round. Here are 3 rapid fire shortcuts for you. We have Alt F4, which is a gamer one most of the time. That is your closing apps. Alt F4. The next one would be screenshot. I usually use Windows print screen to get a full screen. If I want a good snippet of something, I'd hold Windows Shift S. You could do that on the Mac as well. Command Shift 4, and that will let you do a snippet as well. Another one on Windows would be Windows E for the File Explorer, and you could bring up your File Explorer and start searching through. That was just a warm-up. If you want the full keyboard cheat codes guide, which includes all the advanced stuff that I didn't cover here in this video, you could download this free PDF by clicking the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It also helps to take this PDF, print it out, and tape it to your monitor, and you can master one key every day. It has both Windows and Mac keyboard shortcuts, so you'll be able to do the same things that I mentioned in the Windows side on the Mac if you have Mac. And I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. I'll be posting videos every weekend. Thank you.